Alright, welcome back. We are going to update our children's collections to reflect our actual structure of layers and segments so that we show the correct control from our converter, which is actually our view factory. So we're changing a few base items into segments in the item 0 into a layer, but we'll leave the bottom item base items as base items. Now let's add our list view to display the segments of the layer item selected, if there is a layer. Let's return to using binding for these child view controls unless we have to use xbind. Simple text block. Display the name of the layer. That's it for now. We're just going to copy this directly into our segment control. At this level, they're identical. There it is. You see the segments of this layer. No errors in the output window. Everything looks good. See our base items. We are cooking with propane, as Hankiel would say. Okay, so let's make our name part of our selected item editable. Just copy and paste the text box over into the segment control and we're good. It wouldn't let me type for some reason. Let's try to set our row height. Making sure everything's working out there. Test it again. There we go. Bugs like that happen sometimes in development mode when you're inside of Visual Studio. Let's move it all over to update on property change for our text blocks. This is not a good idea for numeric values, but it won't hurt with string values. Alrighty, it's time to test. It's building. There we go. So we should see our tree view update automatically when we type now on both segments and layers. That's it. I hope you got something out of this. If you did, like and subscribe. I realize this is only a small segment of our overall project, but you can always look at the entire playlist. I'm finishing this same tutorial in WPF, UWP, in Windows App SDK, a simple MVVM pattern application that is going to end up giving us a vector graphics editor and most likely an animator. So check out all the tutorials. The actual main tutorial will be done just in the lowest common denominator, which is UWP, but I'm finishing everything in WPF in Windows App SDK that is different, so you can pick your environment. And the rest of the tutorials should be identical. I hope you got something out of this. If you did, like and subscribe. God bless, and I will see you in the next video.